Trekking is something that you should do at least once in your lifetime. It can be a good or a bad experience, but it is worth it. With that in note, I bring you best trekking spots that are close to Mumbai. And watch this video till the end because I guarantee you will know a lot about each trek in this video. Well, first up is Rajmachi Trek. This trek is located between Lonavala and Karjat, two hill stations. Also, this trek is famous for its fireflies. The trek distance from Rajmachi base village to Mumbai is around 80 kilometers. And Rajmachi Trek stands tall at a height of 2710 feet. Now comes the riskometer. This trek is moderate in difficulty because of its trek distance and time. It takes around 6 to 7 hours just to reach the top. So you know you can't complete this trek in a day because it gets very hectic. Rajmachi trek is very popular, but because of its difficulty, very few people visit, so it is not much crowded. Karnala Fort is next. Now the best part of this trek is that you enter the bird sanctuary first, so sightseeing is a must, and from there you can pick any trail as they converge at the top. Karnala Fort is located around 60 km far from Mumbai in Panvel. Also, the trek is not that high in height because it stands at an altitude of 1440 feet. Also, Karnala trek is very easy as it takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour to reach the top. The trek is very low key and offbeat, so you won't find much crowd here. So it is best for people who don't want overcrowding. Ready to conquer the highest peak of Maharashtra? Well, obviously, I'm talking about Kalsubai Trek. This trek is your ultimate challenge as it takes you through the amazing views of the Maharashtra. Well, Kalsubai Trek is located in Nashik at around 160 km drive from Mumbai. This trek takes you 5,400 feet above ground level and close to the clouds. Kalsubai trek is at a moderate difficulty as it takes around 4 to 5 hours to reach the top and is slightly difficult while ascending. This trek is very popular, so monsoon seasons are mostly crowded, so plan accordingly to avoid any bad experiences and problems. Next up is Harishchandragarh trek. This trek has multiple routes, but I'll be talking about the two popular ones. First up is for the beginners, Pachnai route. This trek takes you through a gradual ascent and amazing views of the surrounding valley. The second one is for experienced one, Nalichi Wat route. In this route, you have to climb steep rocks and waterfalls, but it is worth it as well. So pick your choice. Harishchandragarh is also located in Nashik, so you can expect around 160 km drive from Mumbai. Also, Harishchandragarh is at an elevation of 4,665 feet, so it is quite tall. This trek is moderate in difficulty as it takes around 5 hours to reach the top. Also, this trek is equally popular, so expect crowd in monsoons and weekends. Now talking about Safale, we have Tandulwadi Fort, named after its base village Tandulwadi. The fort no longer exists at the top, but people visit for its views of Palghar city, and if good visibility then sea as well. On the east side there is also Vaitarna river view. Tandulwadi Fort is located in Palghar, so expect a 100-kilometer drive from Mumbai. Also, Tandulwadi Fort is small in height just like Karnala at an elevation of 1669 feet. Also, Tandulwadi Fort is moderate in difficulty because of its rocky terrain that you have to climb to reach the top. And this trek is offbeat, so not many people visit this trek. Asherigarh, with almost 800-year-old legacy, this trek is well marked to the top, so you cannot get lost here. Also, once you reach the top, you can explore the fort and relax at the temple with great views. Asherigarh is also located in Palghar, so expect a 100-kilometer drive from Mumbai. Also, this trek is at an height of 2,000 feet. Asherigarh is not much of a difficult trek, it is quite easy. So it will take you around 1.5 hours to reach the top. It is an offbeat trek. Also, Asherigarh is very best for beginners as it won't test your limits. Then there is Pep Fort, also known as Vikatgarh. This trek is famous for its Matheran views. Also, there is a temple constructed now and is believed to shelter the footprints of Swami Samartha. Be aware of the monkeys though, because if you can best them, then a great view awaits you. This trek takes you from Mumbai to Karjat at a distance of around 80-kilometer drive. Pep Fort is located at a height of 2100 feet. This trek is quite easy to do as it takes around 1 to 2 hours to reach the top. Also, this trek is quite popular, so expect crowd in weekends and especially in monsoon season. Then we have Sagargarh trek, which has two routes. One via Sagargarh Wadi, which has vehicle accessibility, and a forest route which takes you through old steps to climb. And in between, you get to visit Siddheshwar temple as well, which has an waterfall view. Also, once you reach the top, there is a pond that gets water throughout the year. Sounds amazing, right? Well, Sagargarh Wadi is located in Alibag, so expect a 80-kilometer drive. Sagargarh Wadi is not that high in height, standing at an elevation of 1357 feet. Also, Sagargarh Wadi trek is very easy to do as it takes around 2 hours to reach the top. Although this trek is not that popular, so don't expect much crowd, which is good obviously. Tigona Fort trek, beginner friendly with a pyramid shaped peak at the top and a view of Pauna Lake as well. The Marathi name of this trek is Vitangad, although this trek gets its name from its triangular shape. Tigona Fort is located in Lonavala with a 120-kilometer drive from Mumbai. Also, this trek is at an elevation of 3500 feet. And Tigona Fort is very easy trek. It takes around 1.5 hours to reach the top. And this fort is very popular, so expect crowd during weekends, and monsoon is obviously a peak time as well. Then there is Visapur Fort trek, one of the most thrilling day treks that takes you through trails, waterfalls and villages. This trek is located near the village of Visapur and was built as a twin fort for the famous Lohargarh. The fort is also located in Lonavala, so expect a 100-kilometer drive. Visapur Fort is also 3500 feet in altitude. Also, Visapur Fort is moderate in difficulty and takes around 2 hours to reach, give or take. This trek is quite popular as well, so expect crowd during weekends and monsoon. Then let's talk about Lohargarh, Visapur's brother. This fort is famous for its Vinchu Kata, the scorpion tail fortification that you can walk on at the top. Lohargarh is also located in Lonavala, so expect a 100-kilometer drive. This trek stands tall at a height of 3389 feet. Lohargarh is one of the easy treks to do, which takes around 1.5 hours to reach at the top. This trek is quite popular, so maybe planning on a weekday is a best option. Then there is Korigarh trek, that is a short trek with views of Ambi Valley, Tung Fort and Tikona Fort. What more do you need from this trek, right? Korigarh is located in Lonavala, so expect a 100-kilometer drive from Mumbai. This trek stands at an elevation of 3028 feet. This trek is quite easy and only takes 1 hour to reach at the top. So it is quite famous as well. So expect crowd during weekends and monsoon. Now let's talk about Prabalgarh, that has amazing views on all directions. Patalganga River and Manikgarh Fort at the south, Karnala Fort at the northwest and Irshalgarh nearby. Also, did you know Prabalgarh was the primary choice of the Britishers to make it as a hill station, but due to the absence of water, Matheran got the honors. Well, Prabalgarh is located around 50 kilometers from Mumbai in Raigad, and this trek stands tall at an height of 2300 feet. Also, this trek is not easy and takes around 5 to 6 hours to reach at the top, so it's not popular because of its difficulty and time. Located near Prabalgarh, this is India's one of the most difficult treks to do. I am talking about Kalwanti Durg, which is famous for its Kalwanti Durg Pinnacle as well. This trek has amazing views of Prabalgarh at the top. Also, this trek is located in Raigad as well with a 50-kilometer drive. Kalwanti Durg is at an height of 2300 feet. Although this trek seems smaller in height, it is a very difficult trek, so plan and make sure to be prepared as it takes around 3.5 hours just to reach at the top. It is quite famous trek, but because of its difficulty, very few people visit this trek. So are you up for the challenge? Well, another 800-year-old fort is Kohoj Fort. This trek has amazing views and cold breeze during monsoons, which is the best time to visit. On the way up there is an idol of Lord Hanuman that guards the periphery of the fort. This trek is located in Palghar, so expect a 80-kilometer drive from Mumbai. Kohoj Fort stands at an height of 3105 feet. This trek is moderate in difficulty and takes around 3 hours to reach at the top. Now there is Kotaligarh Fort, more commonly known as Pate because of its village Pate, that is its base. The pinnacle of the fort can be seen through this village. Once you reach at the top, you can see caves carved by giant rocks. Kotaligarh is located in Karjat, so expect a 100-kilometer drive. Kotaligarh stand tall at an height of 4,650 feet. Although this trek seems very high in height, it only takes around 1.5 hours to reach at the top, and it is a very easy trek to do, so it is quite popular as well. So expect crowd during monsoon and weekends. Then we have Andarban, literally meaning the dark forest. This trek takes you through the views of Divkund waterfall plus valleys and Tamini Ghat along the way, with numerous water streams that you cross to reach at the end of the backwaters of Bira Dam. Andarban is located in Raigad with a 150-kilometer drive from Mumbai. Andarban is at an height of 2160 feet and it is a descending trek. This trek is moderate in difficulty and takes around 3 hours to reach, so it can get tough for beginners. It is a quite popular trek, so many people visit, so expect crowd as well during weekends. Well, last but not the least, I am talking about the majestic Raigad trek. The fort was the capital of the Maratha Empire, rich in heritage and adventure. This fort served as the capital of Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in 1674. This trek is located very far from Mumbai, around 170-kilometer drive. The fort stands tall at an height of 4,075 feet. This trek is moderate in difficulty and takes around 2 hours to reach at the top. Although because of its history, it is very popular trek and gets too crowded in monsoon. So plan accordingly for this trek. There you have it, folks. Best trekking spots near Mumbai. Whether you are experienced or beginner, you have to try one of these treks. For more such trekking guides, you can check out our website tripsaga.in, link in description. Like, share and subscribe for more such content. Happy trekking!